Guys, and today we're going to be looking at the three states of water: liquid, solid, and gas. Okay, we've unpaused our video and we've just found something very interesting and cool. It's like a little shape in the ice.
So,
and there's one of the states of water, solid.
solid, yeah.
But
Ice.
this ice isn't completely solid.
Just not taking the weight of the bike just yet.
It's like,
Well, there's a bigger pool up here. Do you want to cycle across that?
yeah.
And we'll just see what the bike does, because that's a solid too, or it's mostly solid. Looks like it's very icy up here. Okay, I'm just going to pause. Right, Seamus is going to cycle across this pond now. This puddle, which is huge, and there's a lot of ice in it. Oh, well, Seamus. Woohoo! Wow.
We've gone paused again, and I'm gonna go down this huge hill.
We just encountered a few dogs there. There's lots of dogs for a walk. Do you see that, Seamus?
Yep.
Buddy is very interested. 3 dogs anyway, at least 3. They come over to say hello to us.
Alright guys, and I'm gonna cycle through another ice puddle right here.
Okay, so we had this idea for a thought experiment. So we're looking at solids, liquids and gases, the 3 states of water. Now, some of these puddles are frozen. In the thought experiment, we had to think about how we might get across ice without breaking it. And the adventure was that, what were you doing, Seamus? You're running from?
Bad guy who's chasing me. I have to get across a huge pond to escape
And the pond is covered in?
ice. And
Wait.
if I fall through it, 1,000 meters of cold, freezing water are down there.
Okay, so that gives you a thought to work with. We know it's totally safe, but just if you were to walk over this thin ice, you might have to walk slowly. Ooh, Buddy went through it. You might have to put your feet flat. Are you ready? Let's try this. Yes. You're okay, you're doing great.
So which part do I have to reach?
Well, reach it, yeah. Yes, you made it. Okay. Now. So now, who are you now?
The bad guy.
And what's he going to do?
He's gonna carelessly run across the ice.
Carelessly run across the ice without any kind of precautions. Okay, just to catch you. So his intention is to catch you. He's not thinking about safety. He's not thinking about the ice. Are you ready? Go. Ah, you went through it. You went through it.
I was stomping hard though, but look, so I went like this. Oh god!
Oh, are you alright?
Yep.
Okay. That's fine.
If I went like this, they wouldn't break.
No, so you can still get across it.
And what the one day we tried this, and I actually got across the ice without any problems at all.
Yeah. Depends on what the ice is.
Yeah, how thick it is.
Yes.
But this ice over here is usually more thick than that ice all around there.
Yeah.
But why is that? Why does it form differently?
I'm not too sure, you know. The temperature might be slightly different places. The water quality, the depth of the pool, you know. the ground that's underneath, the water and the ice, could all be factors in making it.
Is it safe to take a bit of this ice if it's clean
Yes,
and wet your mouth with it
yes,
if you're really thirsty?
yes.
Oh good, because I did that.
Well, it's rainwater.
Rainwater.
It's just fallen and frozen overnight, so it's pretty okay. If you were in an emergency situation and you needed something to keep you hydrated, it would be okay. The best thing to do is to boil water, because that kills all the germs, or a lot of them, most of them.
So this water isn't boiled, is it?
It's not boiled, but when it's frozen like that and it's just falling down as rain, rainwater is not too bad. It's still not fully clean, but so, what are the three states of water then?
Well, frozen, liquid, and gas. Here's
Solid,
solid.
liquid and gas. And that, you're on a solid,
I'm on a solid.
and there's a liquid underneath.
Liquid.
How would you get the gas? How would you get water to turn into its gas state?
Evaporating it with the sun.
Or,
I'm not sure.
yeah, that's right. A kettle, yeah. So if you apply something to water, eventually it will start to evaporate and turn into its gas state. What you have
we'll
to,
be showing this in the Step It show.
We
That's
will.
going to be our topic.
so what do? You apply
Apply what to get what?
to get steam to get it into its gas state. You apply,
Boiling water.
yes, but what do you apply to water to boil it?
Heat.
Yes. Woohoo! Well figured out and on the move too. Pretty impressive.